and I'm so glad to let you know that some of our awesome coins that we chose have already executed. So let's get started and start looking at them one after the other because three of them have already executed. And if you take a good look here, you'll see that we have almost $3 in here. That's what it means. Okay, that means what am I saying? Almost $3 in profit. Yes. So we have 152.97. So we have like about $3, almost like $1 each in profit over our trades. That means that we met our target of 2% each. That's beautiful. So let's go and start. Let's check on VIDT. We're currently on VIDT, as you can see here. And this trade happened like about almost 2 hours after we picked the trade. So, I mean, it executed almost 2 hours after we picked the trade. And this is it. Let me just go to, because this happened some couple of hours ago. So let me just open up to the trade history so that we can see it and look at the different points and metrics. Okay, so this is VIDT. So VIDT, we actually bought it at, that was 221. Yes. Yeah, that's how much we bought. Let me go and check so that I will show you and be sure and be very, very sure. Look at it here. So we bought it here 221. That's how the price we bought it as. And in terms of its executing, we were able to execute it as at the amount of 0.0226, and that gave us, you know, a profit of $1.05. Look at that. That's beautiful. $1.05. That's 50. I mean, that's 51.053. That's glorious. Now removing the fees, that's just like about 105 means minus 5 cents. That means we made $1, which is beautiful. That's 2%. You know, our 2% target was met and crushed, and we executed beautifully. That's VIDT USDT. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So before we go ahead, before I ship out the profit, let's look at it here again. Now look at what happened in the charts. Let's open the charts so that we can look at the charts very well. So the area we're looking at is here, somewhere in this range, because yeah, somewhere here, because don't forget that this was executed a couple of long hours ago. That's 226, somewhere in the range of, yeah, somewhere here. This is where it's got executed here. Let me put on, yeah, this is it. To be the red candle, because immediately after it got executed, it started coming down. And now look at it now, it's already going all the way down. It's already trending. That's beautiful. I mean, it was just at the verge of hitting it and then reversing. That is what we call the parabolic stop and reverse. PSAR, parabolic stop and reverse. It was just about getting to that point, and we were able to, get it executed almost immediately. That's beautiful. So it's still trying to find its feet. It's going in a sideways movement. If you look at this, in the sideways movement at this point, it's trying to find its feet, struggling. It has some turbulence, and it's trying to stabilize, and somewhere in it, so it's trying to make a decision whether it's supposed to go up or not. But anyways, that's a story for another day. We are currently out of the trade. Beautiful. So VIDT, yeah, good one, yeah. So we made $1.05 minus the fees. We actually made $1, which is 2%. Okay, that's great. So we're going to ship out our profit right about now. Now let's go into the second one. Okay, now the second one. Let me see if there's anybody here online. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for the like. I appreciate you. Yeah, so the next one, look at that's ASTR. Okay, ASTR also got executed. ASTR, well done. So let's go check. Let's check in our trade history to see what exactly happened. Don't forget, I was sleeping. I was not I was not here when the action was going on. So I'm just giving you reported speech, right? I'm just giving you the report. So it got executed at 525. Yeah, we made how much we made? You can see the amount here is 51.009. That means exactly $1 on the point, right? Now, of course, taking off the fees means that that's my. But let's go and check again. Always go and check from the beginning. How much did we buy it, right? So that I don't just give you. Yeah. Let me see. Where's ASTR? Where is ASTR? Oh, here it is. Now look at it. Oh yeah, it's the one we actually did 50.08. Yeah, 50.08. Okay, interesting. 50.08. So we need to calculate that. 50.08. We're gonna take that away from where is it? That's 51.09. So let me go and check what that is in terms of how much that exactly came to. That should be we said that's 51. Let's just say 51 minus 50.08. Okay, it made 92 cents. All right. So by the time we take off the fees, it will come to, so 92 cents was made, and we'll calculate the percentage profit based on that. Or maybe we'll remove the, actually, the things that you always realize that you're going to have to pay fees, 0.1% of the fees of the amount. But in terms of the profit, in terms of the actual trade that came around was 92 cents. But by the time we take off 5 cents, that will give us 87 cents. Okay. It's always good to use the worst case scenario to calculate. So if I use the worst case scenario, which is 87 cents, so that will be how much? Let me get that back. So that will be 50 times, oh, come on. That's 50 times, what's it called now? Is it going to be 1.4? Oh no, it's not going to be 1.4. Come on, you should have gotten this maths by now. 1.7. Yeah, it was supposed to be 87. Okay, 1.75. Something in this range, right? Let's make it 7.4. Okay, 7.4%. 7.4%. That's 1.74%. Profit, which is also a good one. Yeah, yeah. So that's fine. So let me go back in there, and then we look at what is going on in the charts. Okay, so now this is ASTR. ASTR, I guess. Okay. Hi guys, welcome. Nice to have you here. Yeah, so ASTR, let's see how it's actually a 526, so that means it's going up. Yeah, it's been a favorable. Oh yeah, it's been a favorable one. So it's really good. How long did this trade take? Let's see. Let's go and check in the order in the in the trade history. I always love to do that because you don't keep all these things in your brain. And since you weren't awake when all of these were happening, you have to come back and check what happened. So ASTR, let's look at where ASTR. This is okay. All right. So that's 430 to what? Let's see. Let's check it up. 430 to 715. So about, I would say about 2.5 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Because from 430 to 718, it was 4:30 to 7:30. That's 3 hours. So that's just about 2.5 hours plus. Not bad at all for a trade that took us like about 2.5 hours. That's good. That's okay. And we made $1. We made 2%. Please don't forget it's not because we made $1. We actually made 2% profit. Okay. So if this was $1,000 that you're using, 2% means you'll make $2 over it, right? I guess so. No, $20. Come on. If you're doing $100, you make $2. If you're doing $1,000, you'll make $20. Okay, that's just the calculation of the mathematics. Yeah, so right now we made 87 cents over ASTR. Awesome. Can you just see that juicy profit I'm about to ship out? Okay, so we're going to ship out a profit right about in a few moments. Okay, so ASTR, you did well. Good one. Good job. Thumbs up to you. All righty, let's go to the third one. The third one was XEC. Come on, XEC. That's it. XEC. Ooh, interesting. What's been going on in XEC's life? Let's see. 28.35. Seems like this one is going through a downturn, but good. Anyway, we're out of it. So let's go check what happened. So XEC, good one too. So let's see. look at the trade history for XEC. So we made, how much did we make? We made 51.06, but let's go and check what is happening in the actual. Let's go and check how much we bought it, XEC. We actually bought it in 2 points. Oh, yeah, yeah. I remember that we didn't pick up everything for this one. This one we bought, excuse me, we bought it as 49 because it's in 2 points. We bought $42.48 and $7.44. Together, that came to $49.92. So this was not a complete $50 trade. It was $49.92. So that's for you to know. So we'll calculate that based on what we got. So obviously what we're getting is more than 2%. So what we got here is 51.06. Okay, 51.06. Oh, let me put that off. Let me put that. Okay, let me put that back. Okay, what am I doing? I'm trying to. Okay, great. So we've done that. All right. Okay. Thank you guys for being here. Please give us a like. We have a couple of you here. Just give us a like. Let's YouTube know that we're doing something awesome here. And also, please let me know where you're watching from, all over the globe that are watching wherever you are. I'd like to know where you're watching from. Okay, so XEC, let's go and check. We actually bought $49.92. And we made, oh, come on, this thing again. Okay. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to, let's see. Oh, this is it. I'm supposed to clear that one out. Okay, now I get it. All these functionalities and phones. Okay, so let's get back into what I was saying. So we'll go back. Let's go back and see what that gives us. 5106. Let's go check the exact amount of money we've made. So 51.06 minus, we're going to make minus 49.92. Oh, we actually made $1.14. Beautiful. We actually made $1.14. That's like about $1.09. Beautiful. Okay. So if I take off the 5 cents, oh, let me even see what, okay, let's do what $1.10 will be. So if I put 50 here, that should be 2.2. Let me see. Yeah. Times 2.2%. Yeah, something in this range. Yeah, we made 2.2%. That's beautiful because it was less than a $50 trade. That's beautiful. So we made 2.2% profit. Glorious. That's awesome. I love that. That is beautiful. So XEC, we did well too. That's more than 2%. Beautiful. All right. So it's time for my favorite part, right? My favorite part is shipping out the profit. We're going to ship out the profit now. So XEC, you did well. Yeah, you did well. Looks like it's having tall a bit. It had a good, not a good one, but this is like a little dump session. But anyways, it's going to go back up. That's just the way trading is. People buy, and after a while, it gets a high, and then people sell. Okay, yeah, that's just it. That's how it goes. Alrighty. Yeah, so XEC, another win. Beautiful. So now let's do my favorite part of shipping out the profit. Are you ready? Let's go. That's my favorite part. My favorite part. We click on transfer. Okay. All right. So let's just put the max. Oh, that's going to be from spot trading. Put the max. And then all we just have to do is just click away the remaining and send out our profit. One to go. Come on. I love it. Love moving that. So that we can see the road clearly, right? So now we have bare bone 150. So that means that we are expecting to have 3 more trades to execute. Anyways, let's go ahead and check them out one after the other. Now, let's go to CVC. What's going on in CVC's life? Let's find you. CVC. Really? What's going on here? CVC. Oh, what was it? Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Oh, it's experiencing a downturn. Come on. CVC is going down. Okay. Well, what was the amount it was? This just happened like now. Because I mean, when I checked it earlier for the live, it was like 922 or 923 or things in something in that range. So, anyways, this is it. This is the actual situation. It's going through a little dump. It's still going to go back up in its own way. So, we're just waiting for it. It still looks like it's going to go back up. The parabolic saw is still underneath. And what's it? It's even though the RSI went down, but let's just hope, keep our fingers crossed. CVC, we're waiting for you. We're rooting for you. You can do this. Okay. So that's CVC. Ah, CVC. Okay. Now we'll come back and check what's going on in CVC's life in a couple of hours. All right. Let's go to AMP. AMP, what's happening to you? AMP, do we have some money to be made here? It looks like we have some money to be made. AMP, let's check what's going on. AMP looks like it's going up, but I think there's some money to be made here. We bought it as 1640. Let's go and check whether we can make some money. Oh, please don't go down. Let's go and check quickly. I think I'm going to have to opt out of this. So let me cancel it. Okay. And then we go back and see whether we can make some money in here. No matter what, it doesn't have to get, oh, there's money to be made. I think I'm just going to have to go with this. I don't know whether I should wait for it again. Well, I had a 2%. Look at it. It's actually going down. So if it was, this is 1650. Our target was 1662, I guess. That's what our target was. What was our target? Yeah, that was 1662. I think so. That's what it is, 16. Let me put that there and be sure. Because for us to make 2% profit, I think we put 1662. Let me see. I think that's it. No, it wasn't even. I don't think it was a. I don't think it was. Oh, let me go check the order history because now I'm getting confused. Let's check the order history because don't forget that we just cancelled it. Let me see. Let me see. That's AMP, right? So it's cancelled. Let me see how much you put here. Okay, I think it was supposed, yeah, 1662. It was supposed to give us 62 cents, something that range. It wasn't supposed to give us much. It wasn't a $1 target. We weren't sure. So that's why we just, it was 60 something cents target. I think I'm just going to have to cash out because I don't know what the plan is. Well, it looks like it's look like it wants to, it's struggling, but it also looks like it's about to switch to the PSAR. That's parabolic SAR to come from underneath. So I'm wondering what I should do. So if I go ahead and I cash out, well, like I always say, I thought I ain't bad. Well, let's not just see if we can get something out of here. Let's get something out of here and not waste time. We were supposed to get 61 cents, 60 something cents, but here we are with 25 cents. That means we're going to have to, maybe I should do this with Convert so that it wouldn't take any fees from me. I think I would. Let's try this out so that we don't lose any money to fees. Do I want to wait? I don't think I really want to wait. Or maybe I should give it some time. It looks like it's going to switch to go up, right? Look at it. Look at the RSI is looking upwards. So if I go out, I might be shortchanging myself and I might be wrong too. I think we should give it some time and let's see what the direction will be. Right now, it's like, okay, if I cash out, I might be cashing out early because it has the propensity to move up and switch. So I think we should just give it some time. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. I think I'm good with giving it some time. Okay, that was 6.2. Still 60 something cents. Let's see how much. 61 cents. Let's go with that. I'm cool just making 1% from here because AMP has held me ransom a couple of times. So it's for you to know, once beaten, twice shy. So you just want to just get out. So if I come back, if I check the direction and it looks like it wants to go down, I might just come back and do Convert and I'll be done with it. Okay, final piece. Let's go. Okay, so we'll be back to see how AMP is doing. So let's go and check the final one. in this league. JST. Okay, JST, please, come on. JST. What's going on with you? GST has just been going down. This one has been the most disappointing of all. I don't know. I don't know. It's just been dumping and dumping and dumping. Oh my God. Here is where we are. If we try to sell out, let me see how much we'll lose because I mean, it was supposed to be 333. Yeah. What was that? What's our target? What's our target? Let's see. We're supposed to 332. It's far away from that. It's at 3020 now. Wow, and it's going down. So if I cancel now, how much will be the loss? Because it's already in a loss. It's a serious loss position. This is a loss. No, this is if I cash out now, that's 46 cents, $46, 36 cents. No, that means that if I'm like, I just want to get out, I'm going to lose $3.64. No, 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 no. That's a whole bunch. That's a whole bunch. I'm not doing this. So we just have to wait anyways. We just have to wait. We're gonna probably just readjust it, maybe to like about 1% or 1.5%. So if I pick that and I just change this to 3228. Let me see. 3328. Let's see what that will be. I don't know what that will give us. What am I doing? Let me go back. 3328. I put 100% there. Well, it's not much. Let's see. 328. Let's even put 329. 329. Okay, just about 1%. Let's just try and just get this out of the way. And they might just switch and start moving up. We never know these things, right? 329. Let's put 100% and see. 54 cents. That's like 50 cents. No, I don't want that. Okay, let me just put 33. Maybe at least go down a bit. Let it even just hit it. And let's see. Okay, 69. All right, I've adjusted it. Let's just go with 69 cents. What's this? What did it say? Oh, I think I went to click on something else. Okay. It said your order is more than. What does that mean? Oh, because I'm taking it higher. Yes, I know that is. But I'm just going to go with it. I want to say this how the order price. No more reminders. Okay, please don't remind me. I'm not interested. Okay. So we're currently in the queue, waiting for it to appreciate. And let's hope this works. So, JST, come on. I don't know why you totally did me like this. Come on, don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Oh, look at it. Just look at it going down. And I had high hopes for it. I thought it was going to be, look at it. I thought it was going to be the next thing after sliced bread. Come on. But here it is. So we're just going to have to go with the roll. And we're going to have to wait a little bit more time. And then we hold on and trust. Keep our fingers crossed that this is going to execute with good profit. Okay, let's go back and see what's happening. Okay. Now, before I go, let me check what is happening to CVC. Let's check CVC one more time. Let's check CVC whether CVC is still. I think CVC is climbing up bit by bit. It will get there. It's just at this point its own time of pullback. Okay, and I think AMP, we just did AMP now, so AMP is still trying to find its feet. So okay, AMP, oh, it's even gone down more. I should have gotten out. I should have gotten out, but like I say, I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm gonna wait for it. I don't want to just waste this opportunity because I know it looks like it's gonna switch and it's gonna start like a form of momentum. So, anyways, we're here. We'll be back to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, before I go and close the live, I just remembered we had one more trade that had not executed in BitGet. Yes, I forgot that. Now I just have to remember that and just see what's going on. Okay, let's go check. I hope it has. Oh, it has. Oh, I love this. It has executed. So MOG has executed. I almost forgot this, right? Can you just imagine? I almost forgot this. How could I? How could I forget it? Oh, we had 38 cents, almost 2%, almost 2%, 1.9% profit. That's beautiful. 38 cents. That's glorious. That's awesome. Thumbs up to you, MOG. That's beautiful. So I'm just going to ship out the profit. Oh, before I go to the profit, let me check what's going on in the charts. I mean, oh God, this is beautiful. See where it ran to. Oh my God, it ran up. Oof, it ran up. It really ran up. It took off. It went with blazing speed. Oh my God, beautiful. This is awesome. Oh God, I just love the look of this. I mean, when you're waiting, you don't like the look of it, but when you execute, it's like, wow, it looks beautiful, right? Don't mind me. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. All right, so I love to ship out my profit. I love to ship it out. Let's do transfer, and we come here, moving it to funding. Yeah, change that to USDT, and then we put all good 20.38. Then we just come here, remove the 2, and then we ship that out. Okay, we're shipping out 38 cents. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're back to our $20 that we started out with. It's always lovely when you make profit, right? And just to give us to the take us back to the beginning of this, live as at last time we met, was that look, which makes more money? And we're trying to check, okay, is it triangular arbitrage or is it what's it called now? Is it triangular arbitrage or is it spot trading? And we said, okay, triangular arbitrage is a good one because you're looking for imbalances, in the disruptions and imbalances of different coins listed. And it's also safe because it's on one platform, right? But in the case where we've been experiencing, oh, beautiful. Look at speed. Let's see what's going on. Let me take a break and look at what's happening to AMP. It's going up. Yeah, just give it some time. Beautiful. So let me get back to what I was saying. When the market have been experiencing a little downturn and it's trying to find its feet and all of those things, right? Profit opportunities close up for a while. Profit opportunities close up, and it's difficult for you to find quick and profitable trades. Yeah, you might find trades, but the profit margin is so tiny. And by the time you take your fees, don't forget you're paying fees 3 times, right? By the time you take your fees off, you're practically left in a loss. So that's just the thing, and you have to wait. Maybe BTC is acting up and all of those things. But when it comes to spot trading, all you just have to do is analyze the market. Be close to it as much as possible. I'm not saying you won't make your mistakes. You definitely will. Look at GST, for instance. Here, GST for me was like, is this not a mistake of trade? It doesn't mean you're going to make all the right decisions all the time, right? Sometimes you might make wrong decisions. Sometimes it may not even be you. You could have done your best in looking at all the technical analysis. You could have tried your best to do that. But what if somebody with big pockets, no, not big pockets, someone that's hungry comes and says, oh, I just want to sell off my portfolio, and they sell a whole big portion of it? It's going to result in a dump. That's the truth. That's what's going to happen. That's the trading metrics. Okay. So you would have done everything well, but there's nothing you can do about the trading metrics. Someone comes, sells a whole lot, it will dump, right? So I'm just saying this to encourage you that you may not get everything right at a go, but at least, from you can see from everything I do here, the win rate is so much more. The win rate is like 80 to 90%, right? In fact, in some cases in my trading, it gets to 100% because after a while, I can tell myself I'm going to wait for a few that have some few naughty ones, okay? Yeah, and they all execute eventually. That's it. So what I'm trying to say is this. For spot trading, you have more power in your hands. That's my final point on it. For spot trading, you have more power in your hands, and it's a safer way. Well, would I say I'm going to do a safer way? It's also a nice way to make money. Now, of course, when it comes to arbitrage or spot trading, because you're buying low and selling high, you have to realize that it's not like as if you're going to make all the money like in one fell swoop. No, you're going to make it bit by bit. Okay, 2% here, 3% here, 2.5. I mean, if you're in a really bull market, you can do 3% if you so desire. Because most of these coins, as you can see, break beyond the 2%. It's just because we want to be conservative. Yeah, I call it adventurously conservative. That's why we're going for 2%. In some situations, you can go for 3%, 4%, 5%, and it will hit it. Just like you can see that emoji went beyond, far and beyond. That's how it is, but you don't want a case where you're hoping it's going to happen and then it doesn't happen. You don't want that to happen. Anyways, I hope you're getting something from this, guys. Thank you very much for being on board. I hope this has helped you in your trading journey, right? I hope that you're finding value in this channel. I hope that it's making sense for you. All right, thank you so much. I'm really appreciate. Before I go, let me see what's going on in AMP. Maybe I need to just make some money with AMP. Oh, okay, it's gone down a bit. Okay, no problem. I'll be back to give you the reports. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Take care.